We're on Chimney Pot Park in Salford M6, on First Street, to show you a new listing we've got coming up. It is a 2-bedroom terraced property, and in the typical upside down style, we've got 2 double bedrooms on the ground floor, along with a modern 3-piece bathroom with its own bath, and the master bedroom benefits from a light well as well. Property is within walking distance of Salford Quays and Media City. It's ideal for commuters as well. It's within walking distance of Langworthy tram stop, which provides direct access through to the city centre as well. As we get into the first floor, we've got a large kitchen diner, modern units as you can see. It leads straight on out to the garden terrace to the rear, with paving and decking. And then up to the second floor, we've got a nice cosy lounge with a chimney style light well. This development is always incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.